Most people hit Claude limits way faster than they expect, and it's not always because they're using it too much, it's usually because they're using it inefficiently. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop hitting Claude limits so quickly with simple tips that actually make a difference. And if you want to see your exact usage and limits, I already made a separate video on how to check Claude limits, so make sure to watch that after this. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing. Let's get straight into it. Tip number 1. Use the right model for the right task. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Not every task needs the most powerful model. Claude has different models like Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. And here's the important part. Opus can use around 3 to 5 times more of your limit compared to Sonnet or Haiku. So if you're using Opus for simple things like rewriting text, fixing grammar, or basic questions, you're basically burning through your limits much faster than necessary. Instead, use Haiku or Sonnet for everyday tasks. And only switch to Opus when you're doing something heavy like deep reasoning, long documents, or complex analysis. This one change alone can make a huge difference. Tip number 2. Keep your prompts short and focused. A lot of people send one huge message with multiple requests that forces Claude to process everything all at once. Instead, ask one clear thing at a time. For example, first ask for a summary, then ask for a rewrite, then ask for a shorter version. This spreads out the load and helps you avoid hitting limits quickly. Tip number 3. Start a new chat when needed. If you keep using the same conversation again and again, Claude has to remember more and more context. This increases usage over time. So if you finished one task and you are starting something new, just open a fresh chat. Tip number 4. Summarize and reset. Ask Claude to summarize your long chat. Then start a new chat using that summary. If your chat is getting long, don't keep going forever. Instead, ask Claude to summarize it. You can literally type something like, summarize this conversation into key points so I can continue in a new chat, or even shorter, give me a short summary of everything important so far. Claude will give you a clean summary, then you can copy that, start a new chat, and paste it in. Now you keep the important context without carrying all the baggage that eats your limits. If this helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.